my god. Njama Njama. Hey. Njama Njama fufu corn. What is Njama Njama without fufu corn? Or what is fufu corn without Njama Njama? Njama Njama in the diaspora. Beautiful people, come and eat with me. Follow me to Epicidentive's kitchen. Let's cook this delicacy together, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm gonna have this with some cassava. In fact, this is just one of our traditional dishes in Cameroon. Fufu corn and Njama Njama. Oh god. Guys, as earlier said, we're going to dive into the presentations of our ingredients for the vegetable soup. So yeah, we have shaki, we have pork meat, we have dissolved frozen spinach. It's going to serve as our Njama Njama or our vegetable. We have some palm oil, we have meat seasoning, some salt and cubes. We have white pepper, we have ground pepper, hot pepper, we have black pepper, we have fish, some dried fish. I did this myself. Yeah, don't ask me where part of this fish has gone because I can't tell you. We have ground ginger and garlic, we have ground leeks and celery, we have some diced bacon. Yes, I love this diced bacon, and you can see the color. It's like it's smoked. Okay, I love it because of the taste it's gonna give to our vegetable. We have some dry perili, we have some fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, 1 large onion, and 3 habanero pepper. Yes guys, so we actually need this to prepare our wonderful vegetable soup. So guys, let's dive into the procedure. Guys, in a clean pot, I'm going to add a shaki. Yes guys, I'm not going to add the pork right now because the pork is softer than shaki, is stronger than the pork. I'm going to add some ground leeks, ground celery, ground ginger and garlic, going to add some onions, half of our onion, add some salt to taste, add our ground perili, meat seasoning, cube, and water. Now you want to put enough water because you know actually that shaki is difficult, it's hard. If not, you'll be, if you don't put enough water and you don't boil it to actually come to a soft cook, you won't be able to chew it easily. So guys, that's why I'm putting enough water, and we're going to let it come to a boil, and when it's halfway ready, we're going to add our pork. While our shaki is on the fire, we want to add some warm water to our fish. We'll soak it with some warm water, we'll put it aside, and we start cutting the tomatoes and the veggies. I love when I'm eating my vegetable, I can see all the tomatoes, onions from there. I love that. Like it's I don't know, it's like an appetizer. It calls my interest, like it seeks for my notice. if I can put it that way. So I actually always love chopped tomatoes. So you can see our shaki is almost ready. I'm gonna add our meat and add some water. Stir. And let it cook. Yes guys, I want to do something really funny right now. Yes, there was this day I was walking on the street of Whitey and I went to this beautiful woman's house, Age's Food Corner. Yes, that's her name. And she made a broth out of the bones from her dried fish. Like practically she extracted everything from that dried fish. And I was so melted, like I felt melted to my bones. And I said, no, I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to drop the link to her channel on my description box, and I'm going to write her name up here. She has delicacies at her house, and if you want to learn new tips like me, what I'm going to try right now, do well to go to her channel, subscribe, like, leave her a wonderful comment, and possibly share her video, guys. So let's dive into what I learned. Yeah, so I want to blend the leftovers from our fish bones with a little bit of water to make a broth, and we're gonna sieve it. So guys, there is our broth. We want to sieve everything so you can see. There is no way you're not going to tell me you're going to extract extra juice from this. So actually, oh my god, look how I've messed this place. No, there's no way. So guys, can you see? Now you see what we took out? Like, you can see how juicy it is. I'm still gonna use it for this veggie. I'm gonna set it aside and clean this mess right away. Our meat and our shaki are all ready. We're going to transfer them into this bowl. Yes. And I'm not gonna wash this pot, yes, because we're going to continue cooking. So in that same pot, I want to add my tomatoes, onion, pepper, everything. I let it cook for a while, as for everything to actually drain out your water. So guys, you can see our tomatoes are drying and our peppers as well. So I'm gonna add in our oil. I'm gonna add in our palm oil. I'll add in the other spices. You can see how the beauty of everything is really popping up. Yes guys, so we're going to leave everything to fry. So guys, you can see our tomatoes. Right now we're going to add our meat and shaki all together with the stock. We're going to add our bacon. We're going to add our broth. You can remember our broth rice, oh, from our fish. We're going to taste. Remember, the bacon is salted, our fish was well seasoned, our meat was seasoned. So up to this point we are okay. We're going to allow it come to a boil and we'll taste again, so before adding our vegetables. Guys, you can see everything is okay, so I'm going to add our veggies immediately. And stir. As you can see, the beauty of that already coming out. Oh my god. Make sure you actually scatter everything together, right? Like you don't want some kind of lumps of veggies. That is, you find veggies at like in a lump. You want to scatter everything together. we're going to leave it to steam for 2 more minutes. Then we'll add our fish and our vegetable will be almost ready. So guys, we're gonna add our fish. You can see the beauty of our veggies. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see it well, but hey, Njama Njama, hey, Njama Njama, guys. This is what they call Njama Njama. You eat it with fufu corn, you eat it with semolina fufu, you eat it with any tuber. Actually today I'm gonna eat it with cassava. Yes guys, you can see the beauty of this vegetable. We have to give it a taste to see if everything is okay. Yes, everything is okay. Remember, the fish was smoked with some salt. So I have a video of smoked fish and I'm going to put it here so you can actually relate. So we're going to allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes, and our veggies is okay. 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes you can see everything is okay. We're going to give it a taste. It's okay. Yes, it's okay guys. So we have our Njama Njama, yeah, beautifully made. Yes guys, so we're gonna serve this on a tray and ready for dinner. So guys, I'm gonna serve it while it's still hot. Can you see that? Oh my god. Look at how beautiful our pot is. Fufu corn and Njama Njama. Can you see the pepper? So guys, we are going to the end of our video. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do want to subscribe as we are ending up our video for delicacies like this. Guys, I also have a video on egusi soup. Do want to check it. Guys, if you've not yet subscribed, like I said, do want to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like. Leave your comments on the comment section. Share the video for others to learn, guys. And I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.